for today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a long denim skirt that I thrifted for about $2 and change it into a super cute wrap skirt that has distressed edging. So let's get on with the video. This white denim skirt that I thought would be perfect for this tutorial, and while I had it on, I raised up half of it to see if it would be long enough to make a skirt out of. Now, as you can tell, it's going to be a really short skirt. To make this into a wrap skirt, I'm going to first take off the waistband, and I tried doing this by seam ripping it, but that is going to be forever, so then I just cut the waistband off. And then I'm also going to cut off the bottom hem. After laying it down flat, I'm folding it in half and making sure that everything is flat and straight, and then I'm going to cut it straight across. This will give me 4 pieces of material. I'm then going to cut both sides free from the back. I'm going to use the back piece the way it is, but I want to cut off all of the other seams. Using the bottom portion of the skirt, I'm going to cut 2 big pieces of this, and then I'm going to pin them onto the back. That way it'll create that wrap effect. Just as a side note, you actually want to taper these. I didn't taper mine, I just used it as is, and it definitely gave it a couple of fit issues in the long run, so definitely taper it first. You're going to want to put the 2 right sides together. First, you're going to sew a straight stitch all the way down, and then if you have a serger, you can use your serger, but I'm just going to use a zigzag stitch. I cut off the 2 closures with intent of using them again, but you'll see later that I didn't actually end up using them. Then I'm going to seam rip open the waistband all the way across. That way I can then add it. Using the extra piece of material, I'm then going to cut another strip so that I can make the waistband bigger all the way around. I'm going to mimic the seam that was on the original waistband. So in this case, it actually had a double seam. So using the foot of my sewing machine, that's how I'm going to measure it to make sure that I get a straight line. And then because I did not taper my skirt initially, I'm going to actually have to add a couple darts in to make it fit correctly. And then when I have everything sewn together, I had a couple of spots that were longer than others. Since I was going for a distressed look, that's totally okay, just cut off the excess. And then I'm also going to taper the front part. Now to sew the waistband back on. I'm using the original back of the waistband on the back of it. And then I'm going to actually line up the seams with the seams on the original front of the skirt, so that way it looks more seamless. You can also see me stab my finger really badly with these pins. It totally happens to all of us. And then I'm just going to sew this down. And then I'm going to throw it in the washing machine and hope that it'll give it a nice frayed look.
Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll
that is all for the tutorial. A couple things to note when buying a skirt for this project. I'm only 5'1" and this skirt turned out super short on me. So I would definitely recommend trying to find a skirt that is longer or maybe wider. This one happened to fit like really well on me, or was so tight that I couldn't really breathe. So there wasn't a lot of extra material to play with. So because of this, I will probably never actually wear this particular DIY in person, but I love the concept and I love the way it turned out. I will definitely just have to find some material that's longer. I wanted the hem to be super distressed, and there just was not enough material. So I have actually already kind of chopped up the skirt, and you will see what it turns into in a future DIY that I'm super excited to show you guys about. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, or if you would like to give it a thumbs up because, you know, not all DIY projects turn out the way you expected them, but they all have super fun results. If you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a future video. Bye!